Hello, this is Irishvanity, and I'm a student for the Mastering the Stock Market course for Owl Stock Trades. And I just wanted to let you guys know that it is an amazing service. There's so much content always being added, and the sooner that you sign up, the better, because over time the prices will have to increase due to the content and the amount of data that he's providing us. Like recently, we lost data on Morningstar to the free cash flow for 10 years, and Alstock Trades is now providing us with up to 30 years of data if you really want it. There's just so much information out there. You have information to options, options flow, dark pool data, and then he has his own little discount calculator that you can use if you haven't quite created your own yet. Um, Through the stock mastering course, there's all kinds of data out there from economic to GDP. There's all these graphs within his website, makes it all one place. He even has uh, like the tools on there for graphing from TradingView. It's all on there too, so that way you don't have to go to multiple websites when you try to do your calculations if you want to see how the technical analysis is doing compared to the fundamental analysis. Um, Our stock trades really teaches you how to, read the data that's out there and really come up with your own fundamental analysis and ask the correct questions of why does this business uh, be worth your time? Like, why do you want to invest in this? And then you can come up with a whole why they have a moat, or even if they don't have a moat, why they're going to be successful in the future. Because, ultimately a business is based on its future cash flow. Because if you don't have free cash flow, then you're not going to survive in the long run. And he's teaching us how to look into companies that are eventually going to come free cash flow positive and why they might come free cash flow positive. Like Al's YouTube videos don't do justice for the information that he's providing us with and what he's going to provide us with in the future. It's an investment for yourself, and I can't say enough why I'm glad that I invested in it. Um, he will ultimately not tell you what to invest in. He wants to teach you how to invest in yourself. If you're going to take the time and effort to further your knowledge, he's a great resource teacher and he'll answer your questions. And he just has so much information that if you compare it to other websites out there, and you'll see how much you're saving by having free lifetime access to the Discord. It automatically graphs fundamental analysis, as not fundamental analysis, but I mean like technical analysis. It automatically graphs it for you. It'll tell you like this is the first support, this is the second support, this is the first resistance, this is the second resistance, and you can compare it to your own technical analysis. Don't just rely on the information. He really wants to use it as a tool to help you teach yourselves. I can't recommend enough why people should invest in themselves by paying for our stock trades. There's so many people in our Discord that are so smart. They're talented and they teach me every single day. Everyone's always willing to answer your questions and, have discussions. And that's a great thing because, we're building such a great community that, you know, you really should, look into it, at least take the free trial for our stock trades and see if this is something that you want to be a part of, because he has a grind like no other. And with all the members that we have within our community, we're going to be the best of the investors out there because we actually want to learn. We actually want to read books. We actually want to take the time, to look at, hey, this is fundamentally not a good business, or fundamentally this is overvalued and not something that I'd want to be invested in because, when you get to a recession, all these stocks start crashing. Just an example, Microsoft at 350, now it's at 250, and it can even go lower just based upon the fundamentals. It's a great business, but at some point you got to think about, well, what price do I want to pay for it, because Microsoft can't grow forever. Just examples like that. There's so many great businesses out there that are just so overvalued when you look at their PE ratio that at some point they're going to have to come lower because it always happens. You can look at like IBM and Intel as examples. But yeah, anyways, I can't say enough why this course is valuable and how the people in the community and Al himself will teach you and put a different perspective on how to view the market. There's even day traders in here that are way more successful than myself. Um, I have lost some money in the stock market this year, day trading, but that was my own mistake. I didn't follow my own rules. I had nothing to do with the community or anything that Al taught us. That was totally on me. But other than that, I've only made money from everything that Al provides with us, even the tools out there that provide bullseyes, which tells you, hey, this is an option to look into. There's a lot, or trading flow, what options people are buying, what options people are selling. There's all kinds of things. There's even scalping ideas for quick trades on stocks and crypto, and there's just so much information out there that it's all on one platform. That's all you could ever ask for. So, anyways, thanks for taking the time to listen to me. My name's Irishvanity, aka Michael. Thank you.